Hola amigas, amigos, Malcolm Manny here. How are you doing today? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Out here at San Poncho, aka San Francisco, in the state of Nayarit, Mexico. It's my second time here. I was here last year. I did some drone footage for you guys on my YouTube channel. So I'm here today and back here, my brother-in-law did another drone video, an awesome one off the beach, and I got a bunch of surfers on it too. So I'll upload it here on you for you guys. And hey, let's just take a walk down. Pretty full beach today. Lots of people out today, so it's been pretty good. Let's just go down here and see if we can catch a surfer. Should be pretty good. Good waves today. Oh man, there's like maybe a dozen people out there. Have a look at it, eh? So there's one guy right there right now. Whoa, he got knocked down. I almost got knocked down by this wave. So let's go down here. Let's have a look. There we go, another guy. Pretty good. Oh yeah, oh, did a little headbutt there. Let's keep on going down. Give you some good footage, some good content. Hey, when you watch this video, eh? Let's leave a comment or two. I think it's about episode 27 or 28. I'm not too sure, but I got a few shorts, funny shorts that are a minute short and so forth. But let's see what's going on here. Beautiful day today in San Poncho, aka San Francisco. I think I mentioned. Oh, look at this guy here. He's gonna hit it. He's doing good, and oh, he's a little bailout. It's okay. They're doing a fabulous time. I think the temperature, I'd say in Celsius, is about 27, 28. That warm. So spin around here. So San Poncho, not sure what the population is, but it's a hippie town, expat town. I'm staying at Gutierrez again, and from there we took a bus, which was about 50 pesos. Took the bus to Sayulita, and then from Sayulita I took a taxi, and that took about, 15 minutes or so, and it was only 240 pesos, something like that, one way. So last year I think I announced in my video I paid about 200. So with inflation, as is everywhere in the world, everything's gone up a little bit. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna find one more surfer, and then I'll end this beach video. Let's see if I'm gonna catch a good wave here for you. I'm hoping the sound's gonna be good. I'm trying to, I don't know, what the hell do they call these things? Just muffles out the. Oh, that was a good one. Wow, that's gonna come right up here. That's gonna hit me for sure. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a good wave. Sorry, I'm cutting in and out. I'm just trying to catch this one more surfer. See if he's gonna catch a good crest here. Also, just want to let you know, I'm trying to reach out to another vlogger. His name's Sean in Paradise. Kind of knows I'm coming, but I let him. Oh, hold on a second, I get cut out here. Nope, that guy didn't make it. Oh, that would have been a great wave to catch. Yeah, Sean in Paradise. I'll put up his link. He has some great content. I've been following him for about over a year now, and he's out of San Poncho. So I'm hooked up with him today just for a meet and greet. But if it doesn't happen, well, shit, maybe I got to come back. Anyways, let's see if they catch one more surfer, one more good wave, and then I'll cut it short here. I'm trying to keep the narrative here, keep on going for you. How's that look? Pretty good? Pretty good. Just about, come on. Oh, actually, oh, here we go. We got 1, 2. No, almost. Almost. So yeah, the drone footage that I put today, I went all the way up and down the beach here in San Pancho, right to the end, and there's some gorgeous homes. Hopefully I got some good footage for you. When I do my editing, I'll give you the best shots for this video. So, come on babies, let's go. Do it for the kids on the video. Oh, what do we got here? There we go. Oh man, that's a seasoned guy. Wow. I think Sean from Paradise would have definitely carried on a little further. Oh, who's that? Let's see. He's cutting it pretty good. Pretty good. He's carrying it. And done. Anyways, that's it, guys. Gonna pack her in and have yourself a great day. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and hit that notification bell and leave a comment or two. I do, oh shit, look at this fucking wind. That's a big one. Anyways, that was good. Signing off. On the bus to Sayulita.